Day 27 of the 30-day gratitude challenge. This morning I am grateful for these little eco strips here that you use instead of detergent for your clothes. You just tear this off, and this little piece here is good enough to wash all your clothes. So here we go. These little strips are really cool. You don't need to buy these big plastic jugs anymore. So less pollution. Made in Canada. So here we go. I'll put the clothes in, and I'm gonna start cleaning up really soon. It's very important to put everything in the machine wash, because otherwise it won't get washed. And last but not least, it's my day of the month where I clean up, so I'm gonna wash myself. Okay, I'm good for another month.